A grill island is a kitchen. A grill is just a stovetop or an oven. You wouldn't build a house without a kitchen. Don't build a patio without one either. We started our grill island on a rigid, porous concrete pad. Top of that, a skim coat of number 8s. Then we have our first course of Borealis by Techo-Bloc in hazelnut brandy. We spent about an hour in the office pre-planning a cut, one cut, a half unit, 2 foot long, one on either side, saved us 4 hours in the field. On top of that, we have 7 courses of our Graphix wall. The Graphix wall has an in and out appearance, a smooth or split face texture. We went all smooth to match the contemporary feel of our total patio area. We used the FlexLock Ultra Adhesive with the flow of air. We also installed the Pave Tool vent system. They're available in a flame texture or a more contemporary herringbone look. They allow us to vent the natural gas. They also dissipate any condensation, so no effect to our electrical components, and it gives us oxygen so we get a nice rich flame in our grill. On top of that, we have another course of our Borealis. That Borealis is a self-bridging product, so there's no need for any steel lentils like this angle iron to bridge the weight of our countertop. We also don't have any custom cutting or grinding that needs to be done. That saved us 2 man-hours. Now we can simply install our access panel, which gives us storage and any long-term maintenance to our gas lines, couple screws, and we'll be done. We're waiting on the final template for our countertop, and we'll go from countertop to kitchen. We'll go from barbecue to searing vegetables, steaks, and salmon. I can almost taste it.